Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll guide you through the process of downloading Wobbly Life on your PC. To begin with, you need to have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a popular gaming platform where you can download games. If you haven't installed Steam yet, let's go through the process. Open your browser and visit the official Steam website. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner where you'll see a button labeled Install Steam. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the download page. Here, click on the Install Steam button to download the setup file. Once the setup file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder and double-click to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your computer. During the installation, you may be asked to select an installation location. The default path is usually fine, but if you want to install it on a different drive, you can change the location. Once the installation is complete, launch the Steam application. If you already have a Steam account, simply log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Click on Create a Free Account, and you will be asked to enter your email address, preferred username, and password. Steam will also ask you to verify your email address. Alternatively, you can create an account through the Steam website. Visit Steam's official website and click on Login at the top right corner. This will redirect you to a new page where you can find the Create an Account option. Click on it and fill in the necessary details. After completing the registration process, log into your new Steam account. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the Steam homepage. Locate the search bar at the top right corner and click on it. Type Wobbly Life and press Enter. This will display a list of related games. From the search results, find Wobbly Life and click on it to open its store page. On the Game Store page, you'll find information about Wobbly Life. Before installing, you might want to check the system requirements. Steam provides this information on the Game Store page, so if you want to check, just scroll down. This information might be useful for you. To purchase the game, click on the green Add to Cart button. This will take you to your shopping cart, where you can review your selection. If everything looks good, proceed to checkout. Once you have completed the purchase, Steam will add Wobbly Life to your game library. After purchasing the game, navigate to the Library tab at the top of the Steam interface. Here, you will see a list of all the games you own. You will find Wobbly Life in your game collection. Click on the game to open its library page. You'll see an Install button on the game's page. Click on it, and a prompt will appear asking you to choose the installation location on your computer. If you have multiple storage drives, select the one where you want to install the game. Then, click Next to begin the download process. The download time will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, Steam will automatically install the game. Once the installation is complete, you will see a Play button on the game's library page. Click on it to launch Wobbly Life. If your game isn't launching properly or you feel that some files might be missing or corrupted, you can use the Verify Integrity of Game Files option in Steam. This feature checks all the game files and replaces any missing or damaged ones with the correct versions. To do this, you just need to go to the game's properties in your Steam library and start the verification process. Steam will then scan the game files and automatically fix any issues it finds. This process might take some time, depending on the size of the game. Steam also automatically checks for updates whenever you open the application. If an update is available, it will start downloading automatically. If you want to control how Steam handles game updates, you can adjust the background download settings. Steam gives you 3 options to manage this based on your preference. By default, Steam allows background downloads while you play games. You can choose to pause background downloads when I'm playing. This means Steam will stop downloading updates whenever a game is running. However, if you prefer to have full control over updates and don't want them running in the background at all, you can select the option to never allow background downloads. With this setting, updates will only happen when you manually start an update. If you want to check for updates manually, go to your Steam library and find Wobbly Life. If an update is available, you'll see a notification, and the game will have an update button instead of the play button. Simply click on it to start the update. If you ever need the save game files, you can find them in the game's local storage. Steam usually saves game files in the Documents folder or within Steam's installation directory, but the exact location can vary depending on the game. To access your saved game files, we need to locate a specific folder on your computer where many games store their data. This folder is hidden by default, but I'll guide you through it step by step. First, we need to make sure hidden files are visible. Open File Explorer, click on the View tab at the top and then select Show. From the drop-down menu, choose Hidden Items. This will allow you to see folders that are usually hidden. Once hidden files are visible, we can continue. Next, click on the address bar at the top of File Explorer and type this, %localapdata%. Press Enter. This will open a folder where many Steam games save their data. Inside, you'll find subfolders with various names. Look for a folder related to the game or its developer for which you are finding the save file. Once you've found the correct folder, open it. You'll typically find folders named Saved, Saves, or something similar. This is where your game's save data is stored. The actual save files may look like random characters or numbers, but they represent your game saves. Steam also offers a feature called Steam Family Sharing, which allows you to share your game library with other devices. With this feature, they can play games from your library on their accounts. To use this feature, you first need to have Steam Guard security enabled on your account. After that, you can authorize specific devices and accounts to access your library. Once a device is authorized, the person using it can log into their own Steam account and play games from your collection. To enable Steam Guard, you need to go to your Steam settings. In the Steam client, click on Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. Here, you'll find the option for Steam Guard security. However, there are some important limitations to Steam Family Sharing. Only one person can play a shared game at a time. If you are playing a game from your library and someone else tries to start a different game from your collection, they will be asked to wait or purchase the game themselves. Additionally, not all games support family sharing. Steam allows you to share your library with up to 5 different accounts and authorize up to 10 devices. If you reach the limit, you will need to remove an existing device before adding a new one. If you want to know more about Steam Family Sharing, you can visit Steam's official website or check the settings in your Steam client under the Family tab. This will give you detailed information on how it works, along with any restrictions or requirements. If you ever want to customize your Steam experience, you can do so by changing various settings in the Steam client. To access the settings, open Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner, and select Settings. Here, you'll find multiple sections where you can adjust different aspects of Steam. These options let you personalize Steam according to your preferences. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye.